Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got another common repair on these Polaris pool cleaners. Let me show you what we got. This is not supposed to do this. You can see all the water coming out. What's happened is there's a crack that runs down along the side of this. So let's show you how to fix it. Actually, how many Aggies do you think it'd take to fix it, Will?
One.
Okay, step one, turn off the power. Okay.
Put her in service.
So Will,
Yes.
now I've heard how many Aggies it takes to change a light bulb. You know, that's 99. One to hold the light bulb or I messed that up.
No,
Okay, so Will, we mentioned Aggies. So I know how many Aggies it takes to change a light bulb. It's like
91.
91.
Yeah. One to hold the light bulb, 90 to turn the house.
Okay, so now on this pool cleaner, how does that math work?
We're about to find out. Save the white nuts.
So does it matter which way that valve goes?
Yes, it does.
So Will, does it matter which way these go on?
Yes, it does. The nut has to go on the outlet first. Push the hose down and then tighten it back down. And tight.
Perfect.
Threads out, hose on, and it threads onto the hose.
What do you know? It does only take one Aggie to do this.
All right, let me go turn it back on and we'll see what it looks like.
Okay, we're back on. You notice all that spray is gone. And what this will do is it will cycle. Every minute or two, it'll go in reverse. It should engage that valve, and then when it's finished, it will close it off. So that's what it should look like. Just a dribble or no water coming out of it while it's running. Unless it's in backup, and then it'll be fully engaged. All right, good job. And then this old valve, you can see, if you look right in there, if it'll focus, you can see the crack. And that's the reason we had to replace it. It's right along that edge.
Eagle.